Borax-based ant bait can work well, but it does carry environmental risks if used carelessly in yards or gardens. Borax is boric acid in a salt form that interferes with insect digestion and reproduction, and when used outdoors, the key is limiting exposure. Use only small amounts mixed into bait and never scatter powder over soil or plants, because boron accumulates in soil and can harm sensitive plants at elevated concentrations. Place bait in sealed or sheltered bait stations, such as small containers with entry holes or under rocks, so only ants, not pets, birds, or non-target wildlife, can access it. Keep baits away from flower beds and edible gardens by putting stations on hard surfaces or inside crawl spaces, and check them regularly so you remove them as soon as they are emptied. Avoid use before heavy rain and do not put baits near drainage ditches, storm grates, or any runoff pathways to prevent movement into waterways where aquatic organisms can be affected. If you need wider control, combine targeted borax baits with non-chemical measures like sealing entry points, reducing moisture sources, and removing food debris to lower the amount of bait required. 3 common concerns are plant toxicity, contamination of surface water, and accidental ingestion by pets or wildlife. Plants can show yellowing or stunted growth if boron builds up, so reduce risk by never applying bait directly to soil and by testing a small area first. Stop use if plants show stress. Water contamination can occur with runoff from heavy rain or irrigation, so schedule applications during dry spells and place baits on impermeable surfaces or inside containers to contain any spilled material. Pets and wildlife will investigate food like other animals, so secure baits inside tamper-resistant stations and remove baits promptly when they are no longer needed to eliminate accidental exposure. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for yard and garden work and offers a discussion community where neighbors share real-world experiences with treatments like borax baits. We connect contractors looking for work with homeowners seeking help, and our forums let people ask questions, compare approaches, and learn practical precautions before they act.